Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy with American Express Company, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin deploying with American Express Company, start by visiting the official American Express developer website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the API documentation section. Review the available APIs to identify the ones relevant to your project. Select the desired API and click on its details to understand the functionalities. Take note of the authentication requirements specified in the documentation. Generate your API keys through your account dashboard. Ensure you securely store these keys as they are essential for authentication. Now, set up your development environment based on the API requirements. Install any necessary libraries or tools that facilitate API integration. Write a simple script to initiate a test connection to the API. Use your API key within the request header to authenticate. Make a basic GET request to verify if the connection is successful. Check the response to ensure you are receiving the correct data. Debug any issues that may arise during this initial testing phase. Once you confirm successful data retrieval, start incorporating more complex functionalities. Follow the API documentation closely to implement all desired features. Test each feature thoroughly in your development environment. When satisfied, prepare your application for deployment. Choose a hosting solution that meets the needs of your application. Deploy your application following the provider's guidelines. After deployment, conduct a thorough check to ensure everything functions correctly. Monitor the application post-deployment for any potential issues. Keep an eye on your API usage to avoid hitting rate limits. Make necessary adjustments based on user feedback and data analytics. Regularly consult the American Express developer website for updates and new features. With these steps completed, you are now successfully deployed with American Express Company. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.